Alright students, let's look at some notes today for area of triangles. We're going to start by some vocabulary. And let's start with the definition for area. The number of, here you're going to put square units contained in a figure. The next definition is perpendicular lines, and those are lines that form a 90-degree angle. Now let's look at some guided notes together. To find the area of a triangle, you would multiply the base by the height, then divide by 2. Another way this can be written is multiply 1/2 times the base times the height. Alright? Then the algebraic formula is area, which is represented in the capital A, is equal to BH, meaning base times height when you put the letters next to each other as variables, divide 2, or B and H on top of the fraction with 2 on the bottom as B times H divide 2. I'll put a comma here. Or area equals 1/2 base times height, and I'm going to give you one more, or 0.5 BH, which is base times height. Okay, because 0.5 is the same as 1/2. Now, the base and the height, they are perpendicular to each other, meaning they have right angle measures where they meet that are 90 degrees. Alright? So let's go down to some guided practice. Find the area. You see this box in the corner. Anytime you see this box, that means it's 90 degrees, which means now where these two lines meet are the base and the height. So base could be 40 and height 9 centimeters, or I could turn it on this side because they still meet in 90-degree angles and call this the base and this the height, just to know that. So let's begin by saying area is equal to, I'll just do 1/2 base times height because that's the one you're going to see the most, but you can use any of these formulas up here. And then I'm going to substitute in. I'm going to say 1/2 times 40 times 9. Alright? Now you can work left to right, right to left, because the commutative property of multiplication means the order doesn't matter. We'll get the same answer. So let's go left to right. 1/2 times 40 is 20. Bring down the 9 times 9. So see, we did 1/2 times 40. And then this equals 20 times 9, which is 180. And then I'm going to write the centimeters, that's the measurement, and I'm going to put squared. 180 centimeters squared because it's area. Alright, let's go to the next one. We have find the area again, and let's use a different formula. Now I'm just going to do area is equal to 0.5 base times height, because I'm going to get the same thing here, doing that way. Here's the base, here's the height. So I'm going to rewrite this 0.5 times, I'll just do parentheses here, 14, and another set of parentheses still means multiply, times 12, so you can see the different looks. Okay? And then 0.5 times 14 is 7. I did those two. Bring down the 12, and then 7 times 12, that equals 84 centimeters squared because it's area. Okay, look at the next one. Find the area. On this one, you have, and we'll use it differently this time, area equals base times height divide 2. Okay? And that equals base, which is 22 in this case, times the height of 20, all divided by 2. And that equals 22 times 2 is 440. Divide 2, I bring that down because I multiply the two tops together, and that equals 220 meters squared. Alright, find the area of this one. So the area, this time, we'll do it this way, is equal to base times height. We'll do a slash for division this time, 2, just so you know the different looks. And that equals base, which is 22.2, times the height, which is 6.3, and then divide 2. First, let's multiply 22.2 times 6.3, and I get 139.86. Bring down my divide 2, okay? Then we're going to divide by 2, and that equals when we divide by 2, we get 69.93, and that would be centimeters squared again.